Good morning, crafting friends. This is Cheryl Ann. Today is Thursday, January 23rd, 2020, and I have another completed journal to share with you today. This is a full-size one. She's 10.5 by 7.5, and she has a one signature, she's a one signature journal. But she has 64 pages, and these are composition book size pages. This is a composition book cover. It says "Spring to Life." I'm so ready for spring. And we have not had a really cold winter. I'm trying to get the fibers off. It's going to be in the 70s here this week, and then the high 70s, and by the weekend it's going to be in the 80s. So I will be outside dyeing papers. So like I said, she's got fabric on a composition book. I did use some composition papers. I took them out, and then I either tea stained them or I put watercolors on them to make them different colors. And, I wanted to do something different for a closure. She doesn't need a closure. So I just put these little, I don't know what you call them. I think they're Tim Holtz, the little brackets. Like I said, she doesn't need a closure. She does not have alligator mouth. So let's take a look. Oh, I did use some digitals. I've got my list here, and I managed to not lose it. Mrs. Cog's Crafts, Ellsie Bels Bookshelf, Honeypuddle, Seneca Pond Crafts, and the Old Design Shop. So I hope I got everybody. See, this is that weird time in the morning. The light, I get all these shadows. Well, this is a southern facing window out that way, so I have all kinds of shrubs and trees in front of it, which give a shade during the summer, but this time of year gives a shade that we don't want. So, oh, this is number 121. I'll have to put my card in. So she has both graph paper, composition size, and lined writing paper. I've made a lot of handmade tags. That one I just sprayed some dilution sprays. This gorgeous scrapbook paper. I don't know if you can see it in this light, but it does have little sparklies on it. There's a lot of yellow and orange in this one. This is some paper, landscape lined, that I ordered on Amazon, and I just tea dyed it, tea stained. This is a picture from Pixabay, and that's a Mrs. Cog's little tag. That's from one of her wildflower collections. She has quite a few. See, there's the lined paper from the composition book. She does have quite a few pages with fabric sewn on. There's a Tim Holtz little journaling card. Thought that one went well, the brown and the yellow. That's some fabric. Another little digital. That's Pixabay. This is Honeypuddle. I think that was one of her freebies, if my mind hasn't completely gone. I think that's Old Design Shop. I like to have those because I love doing botanicals. So she has plenty of room for writing, memory keeping, lists, whatever you want to write about. That's Honeypuddle. She's real, like I said, she's real bright and cheerful here. Lots of yellows and oranges. It's another one, I believe. It's Old Design Shop. Love this sunflower. I can find the sunlight. Love that sunflower fabric. And it's just so pretty. Oh, she does have one little charm. Oh, this light. I just give up. It says, create your own sunshine. So I thought, well, that goes really well with this. And there's just a little plain tag on there. That's another Pixabay image, the sunflowers. That's the middle of the signature here. Just really pretty. That's Mrs. Coggs. I thought it went with the sunflower, the colors, so I put that sunflower fabric there. That's Pixabay, and another little journaling card, tag. She has lots of fibers sticking out on the top. I'll show you that when I get done here. Oh, I love this. I love this fabric. See if I can get it in the light, and you can see it's got the gold in it. I have to look up who this is from, because of course now I don't remember. If I don't write it down, it's gone. It's just completely gone, never to be discovered again. Like those. I like the color. The yellow went with the yellows. That's another gorgeous one. I think this is Ellsie Bels' bookshelf. I'll have to double check. Oh, I love this one. It just tucks in there so nicely. Just tucks in there with the fabric and stays put. Oh, and this was Seneca Pond Crafts. I wanted to add this in here because it's such a beautiful digital. So I just did that like that. I just tucked it in. So I wanted to include it with the colors. Oh, I'm almost done here. Oops. That's another one of my little handmade tags. There's a Mrs. Cog. This is from one of her kits. I think this is her garden scenes. And I thought, oh, that'll fit right in there. So that tucks right in there. And then she comes with one of these little, I call them little lap pages, so you can put them behind your page when you're writing, so you have something additional to support whatever it is you're writing on. So I thought, oh, I'll just tuck her in the pocket back there. See, there's the little clip. She doesn't really need one. Oh, and this is, if I can get her in the light there, you can see all the yumminess sticking up on top. She has lots of fibers. I have like 4 bags of fibers now, and I love to use them. So that's the top. This is the side. So there she is. I will put her in my Etsy shop, which is Deserts and Beyond, all one word. I'll put the link in the description and in the comments. So come on by, take a look. And until next time, bye for now.